afternoon to you all. Let's start the inaugural function now. To start with, have a Khirat by an alumnus of our college. What's his name? Mr. Abdul Rahman. Waheedur Rahman, mashallah. Come.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
நீராடும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்து கெளியொழுகும் சீராடும் மலரவென திகழ்வரத கண்டமினே எத்தளவும் பதிசிரம் திராவிடர்கள் திருநாளும் ரத்த சிறு பிறகுகளும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்தியக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுக எத்திசையும் புகழ் வழங்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனே தமிழனே உன் சீரிரமை திறமையந்த செயல்மறந்து வாழ்ந்ததுமே வாழ்ந்ததுமே வாழ்ந்ததுமே.
I request dignitaries Dr. Hassan Sheikh to please come on the dais. Director Janab Faisal Sahib are invited to come onto the dais. And I request the what is called the suggested office bearers for the Alumni Association, Mr. Vikash, Asim Ali, Syed Yusuf, please come on the stage. Syed Yusuf, Aslam Muhammad, Muhammad Umar, Ayaz Ahmad, and Satish Kumar. You get introduced to the director and the Dean Research.
For the first time is unprepared. So all the dignitaries on the dais, the respected director, the director administration, and office bearers of the Alumni Association, all my friends, pastor from MSCGC, and the friends who will be passing out from this college soon. It's a very hearty welcome to you all on this very auspicious occasion of the inauguration of the Alumni Association. This morning we have discussed as to what all you should be doing as members of the Alumni Association and how you could help the college and how college could help you and all that. Anyway, your office bearers will talk after some time as to what they will be doing. Only one piece of, or rather two bits of advices I have to you is all of you are working and in your workplace everything is tense, I'm sure, it's tight, things may not be moving as you like. So the thing is, don't get tense because taking tension is too bad for your health. Keep yourself happy. Even under tense situations, be happy and spread cheer. That's the first advice. And second advice is, you have a social cause as engineers, right? The taxpayers have spent a lot on your education. You've got to give them back. You've got to give back to our country. So don't try to flee the country on some deputation abroad and things like that. Be within the country, serve our people, and as far as possible, whatever you can, philanthropy. If you could help the poor gain education or things like that, do go forward and help them. So these are the two things which I know you would have thought of, but I require to stress this on this occasion. We already talked to the Alumni Association, now we are looking forward for your feedback. So thanking you very much, and with this I welcome you all once again to the inauguration of the Alumni Association.
Before I invite our director to give his inaugural speech of the inauguration of the association, I hope and assure our dean that all our alumni will be the best brand ambassadors for Mohammed Sadaqah College of Engineering, inshallah. You agree with me? You are going to be the brand ambassadors of Mohammed Sadaq KJ College of Engineering. So work hard, that is the only way to come up in life, and I wish you all the best in your career. Now I invite our director, Janab Faisal Sahab, to come and give the inaugural speech.
Respected Dean, respected Admin Director, HODs, the chief guest of today, that's the alumni, and my dear student friends, good afternoon. Okay, I think this is just a small drop, but then I think this will turn into a mighty ocean, inshallah, in future years. I know it's been just 35, 50 of you right now, but then inshallah, I think I have a strong feeling that this will turn into a mighty ocean. And I really thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking your precious time and coming in. I know you're all starting off in your careers, and of course, taking off a day is not easy when you're starting off in your career. And I know you're all going to be the brand ambassadors of a college. And with this, you have certain, additional responsibilities in the way you behave outside. So I hope you will make sure that you will add a lot, we will be proud of you in future endeavors wherever you are. And I know in future you will all be going up the ladder, and you will one day inshallah be at heights where you will want to contribute back to the society. And this is a good platform. You know, I know you're all very young now. Maybe in a few decades, couple of decades from now, I know you'll all be somewhere else. And I wish you all the best for that. But when you're there, please look back at the society. And the best place you can start off is your college. In fact, I studied in Don Bosco. And we had our alumni meet, basically our past pupils association, about 2 weeks back. And I had people who had passed out in 1960. 1960, that's almost 50 years back, to people who just passed out last year. So you see the gap, but in your heart, whenever you meet them, I mean, even though you don't know them, just because they happen to come from Don Bosco, you have a sense of attachment towards them. And that is what we expect. I mean, at the end of the day, whether you're all art students or engineering or whatever, medicine or whatever, we would like to have that humane touch. You know, it's not necessarily people who are doing very well during the academic life. I mean, when they are in college, not necessarily they'll be doing good when they are much higher, and people who have been mediocre in their studies will be doing much better. And this is a platform where we want you to contribute to help your friends as well as your juniors as well. You know, I would like you to be their guides. Basically, I assume you would have all passed out a couple of years earlier, but I see a lot of you are much more responsible. You know, we can make out from your face that you feel the responsibility what you have compared to about 24 months back, which is not too long ago. So, I mean, basically, we would like you to guide them as well. And with this, I don't want to hold you back and wish you all the best. Thank you. Okay, I take this opportunity to inaugurate the Alumni Association of Mohammed Sadaq KJ College of Engineering.
Now, I would invite the office bearers, new office bearers to cut the cake as a mark of inauguration of the association. All the office bearers, can I give them a big hand? Now you can come over here and give your plans, what you are going to do for the next year.
name is Vikash. I am from 2009 passed out batch from Electronics and Communication Department. So I am really happy to see my college. It has developed a lot when I passed out in 2009. So it has a tremendous development in our college. I really thank the management for giving me this opportunity to be a part of Alumni Association. I'm sure that I will make this Alumni Association to be very successful. With my friends' help, I really think we can make it large when it comes to this Alumni Association. And regarding the college development, we all, this Alumni Association peoples will really take up this college to a higher level. And without my friends' support, I think it is not possible. So I request each and everyone to support us to make this alumni really a successful one. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Asim from CSE 2009 batch. I welcome all the dignitaries on dais and the students and alumni from other departments. It's been a great pleasure to come back to college and be a part of this inaugural alumni day. As part of the alumni, we have great plans, but anything is easy to say, but to execute it's difficult. So I see that the management is willing to provide support to the alumni and take this to a new level. And we will be organizing different events. We will also try to engage other alumni and get funds for or offer scholarships to the students. We might also be working on a website and provide a platform for integrating or communication between the current students and the alumni, and a lot more. So let's hope that this is the beginning, and we would take it forward from there. Thank you.
I just came here to thank everyone to initiate this event, because I think this is the first time initiating this alumni function, and we are very happy to be a part of this. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everybody. I am David from 2009 passed out. இங்கே எல்லாருக்கும் தமிழ் தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நான் தமிழ் பேசுகிறேன். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இங்கே நிற்கிறது கொஞ்சம் பெருமையாக இருக்குது. இந்த காலேஜில் படிச்சுட்டு இப்போ அந்த லெவலுக்கு வந்திருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. For that I thanks to this college. And I want to say some few words to my juniors who are currently doing their final year. Main advice is that I heard that college result is very down for the past few years. For that, teachers are doing their hard work, but students also put some effort. I mean, இங்கே இருந்தாலும் அவங்க சொல்லணும். The students who are working hard, I mean, all class students are here. They do, you should put some effort. அதாவது உங்கள் கூட நிறைய பேர் வந்து ரேஸ் வச்சுருக்காங்க, நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஒரு ஆவரேஜ் லெவலில் இருக்காங்க. அவங்கள வந்து நீங்கள் என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. I mean, சொல்கிறது எப்படின்னா, first suggestion is that I want to say some few suggestions to start. That is, for example, if a class have 96 students means, I heard that only 20 of them are cleared. Result 75 students are not cleared since. For that, each staff should take care of at least 10 students. I mean, there should be a mentor for 10 students. For example, if you have classes from morning to evening, the class session should be from morning to afternoon, and special care should be taken from the afternoon to the evening sessions. That is, each mentor should take care of the students from the afternoon session to the evening session. And for example, we have weak in studies, so they have to give some special care. So I mean, for example, you can make them to learn the previous year question papers itself. I mean, that is enough to make them pass at least. So ஒரு ஸ்டாஃப் வந்து ஒரு 10 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் டேக் கேர் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா, ஐ மீன் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ ஒரு சப்ஜெக்டில் வந்து 5 யூனிட் இருக்குன்னா, அந்த ஒரு யூனிட்ல வந்து 5 கொஸ்டின் கூட எடுத்துக்காங்க. அந்த 5 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து சம் ஸ்பெஷல் நோட்ஸ் அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் கொடுத்துட்டு அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த ஆஃப்டர்நூன் செஷனில் ட்ரெயின் பண்ணிங்கன்னா, இட் வுட் பி பெட்டர் ஃபார் தெம் டு மேக் பாஸ். அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் தி டேக்கிங் ஹையர் மார்க்ஸ், it would be better to make them pass. And this is my humble request, don't take it a mistake. And the students who are doing well have to do more, and they have to outcome. I mean, they have to come out. I mean, for example, இப்போ எல்லாம் 7th sem or 8th sem படிக்கிறீங்க, 6th sem, okay, 3rd year students. ஓகே, டில் 7th sem உங்களுக்கு வந்து கேம்பஸ் இன்டர்வியூஸ் எதுவும் வராது. ஆக்சுவலாக ஆஃப்டர் 7th sem வந்து இன்டர்வியூக்கு போய் எல்லாரும். ஸோ 7th semலேருந்து நீங்கள் வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 75% அக்ரிகேட் வச்சுருந்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஐடி கம்பெனிஸ் ஒரு அதர் கம்பெனிஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு என்ட்ரி க்ரைட்டீரியா இருக்கும். ஸோ அது வரைக்கும் வந்து உங்களோட பர்சன்டேஜ் லெவல் நீங்கள் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க படிக்கிற பசங்க. அண்ட் நீங்களும் வாலண்டியராக போய் வெளியில் இன்டர்வியூ அட்டன் பண்ணணும். ஐ மீன் நான் காலேஜ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி எதிர்பார்க்காம நம்மளாம் வாலண்டியராக போய் வெளியில் அட்டன் பண்ணணும். நமக்கு சீனியர்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க, அவங்ககிட்ட கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் வாங்கிட்டு நீங்களும் போய் வெளியில் வாலண்டியராக போய் அட்டன் பண்ணணும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு. தட் இஸ் இனிஷியேட்டிவ். ஃபார் தட் studies alone is not enough. You should come forward. Everybody should be a volunteer for everyone. And that's it. Thanks. Anything else?
எனக்கும் நல்லா தமிழ் தெரியும். அண்ட் ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ் சொல்ல விரும்புகிறேன். ஆக்சுவலி என்னன்னா, நான் என்டர் பண்ணுறப்ப 2005 பேட்ச். அப்போது தமிழ்நாட்டில் ஜஸ்ட் 256 சம்திங் அரௌண்ட், ஐ மீன் அப்ராக்சிமேட் வேலை சொல்கிறேன், 256 இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ் தான் இருந்துச்சு. பட் நான் வெளியில் வரப்போ 2009 வெளியில் வரப்போ அதை டபுள் ஆச்சு. இட்ஸ் கம்ஸ் அரௌண்ட் 600 இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜஸ். ஐ மீன் அது வரைக்கும் ஒரு 10 இயர்ஸாக அது வரைக்கும் இருந்த ஒரு கொஞ்சமாக இருந்த குவான்டிட்டி வித்தின் 4 இயர்ஸ் எவ்வளோ பெருசாச்சுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. ஸோ என்னாச்சுன்னா, the outcomers from engineering colleges, the engineers from the colleges, அவங்களோட குவான்டிட்டி ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியாகிடுச்சு. இட் மீன்ஸ் தட் போட்டி ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியாகிடுச்சு. ஸோ இங்கே நீங்கள் சர்வே பண்ணணும், இங்கே நீங்கள் அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு போகணும் அப்படின்னா, முன்னாடி எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா கொஞ்சம் இன்ஜினியரிங் முடிச்சு வந்தாலே பெரிய விஷயமா இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ அப்படி கிடையாது. இன்ஜினியரிங்கிறது ஈஸியாக திங் எல்லாரும் கிடைக்கும், எல்லாரும் கிடைக்கிற ஒரு விஷயமா போச்சு. ஸோ நீங்கள் நார்மல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டாவோ ஒரு நார்மல் இன்ஜினியராகவோ இருந்தால் வெளியில் வந்து சர்வே பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவலுக்கு நீங்கள் இருக்கணும். 10 பேர் இருந்தாலும் தனியாக ஒரு ஆளை காட்டணும். பட் 10 பேருமே ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கணும். அதுக்கு நாட் ஓன்லி த ஸ்டடீஸ் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாது, காலேஜில் இருக்க புக்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் புக்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணவே பண்ணாது. இட்ஸ் அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் திங். ஸோ உங்களோட எக்ஸ்போஷர் வித்தின் த 4 இயர்ஸ் எவ்வளோக்கு எவ்வளோ நீங்கள் தமிழ்நாடு ஃபுல்லாக சரி இந்தியா எவ்வளோ இந்தியாவில் இருக்கிறீங்க, மோர் தென் லேக்ஸ் அண்ட் லேக்ஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ் இருக்குது. ஸோ எக்ஸ்போஷர் நிறைய வேணும் அடுத்த லெவலுக்கு நீங்கள் போகணும் ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ அதுக்கு என்னோட சஜஷன் என்னன்னா, கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணுறது, சிம்போசியம் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறது. சிம்போசியம் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறதுனா டெக்னிக்கல் சிம்போசியம்ஸ் இட்ஸ் அ வெரி மெயின் திங். பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் லைக் ஒரு காமன் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம். ஜஸ்ட் போய் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறதுன்றது வின் பண்ணுறதுக்காக போகிறதில்ல, பார்ட்டிசிபேட்டிங். எங்கே இடத்துல போய் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்க. பக்கத்தில் ஐஐடி இருக்குது, பக்கத்தில் அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி இருக்குது, இந்த பிக் யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ் தான் தேவை. நம்ம போய் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறப்போ எங்கே ஆக்சுவலி நம்ம எங்கே இருக்கிறோம், நம்மளோட ஸ்டேட்டஸ் எங்கே இருக்குது, ஐ மீன் இந்த டெக்னிக்கல் லெவலில் நம்ம எங்கே இருக்கிறோம், அவங்களாம் எங்கே இருக்கிறாங்க, அவர் சரி ஸ்கேலிங் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். ஐ மீன் வேர்ல்டு எங்கே போயிட்டு இருக்குது, நாம எங்கே இருக்கிறோம், நீங்கள் நம்ம அந்த கேம்பஸ்குள்ளேயே இருக்குங்கிறது கேம்பஸ் இஸ் ஒன் பிளேஸ் ஃபார் ஒன்லி ஃபார் ஸ்டடீஸ், உங்களோட புக்ஸ் அந்த லேப் எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் அதுக்கு மட்டும்தான். இதையும் தாண்டி வெளில பெரிய உலகம் இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் அதுக்கு உங்களை எக்ஸ்போஷர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு உங்களை நீங்களே மாற்றிக்கணும். அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் இதோட பேச நினச்சேன். வேற ஓகே, தேங்க்ஸ். ஓகே.
Good afternoon to everyone, all on the stage and the teaching faculty members and my dear juniors, friends. I would like to introduce myself first because most of you would not be knowing me. My name is Syed Mudassir. I completed my BTech here, 2005 to 2009 batch, BTech IT. Then I did my ME in Software Engineering in Anna University. And now I am presently working with Wipro Technologies for 6 months. What I would like to share is, I heard few of my fellow mates saying about wanting to clear subjects and so on. What I would like you all to be concentrating upon is to secure ranks, university ranks. Okay, when you have to set your goal such a high that you won't be worried about clearing subjects if you are aiming for ranks. And I heard our dean is Dean Research. Well, I'm not really sure about what kind of research activities is going on in our college here. So, well, I have myself published 2 journals and 1 conference. I like to share that. 2 international journals and 1 international conference I have myself published. So, I had a discussion with Taha sir. Only he is the person I know here in the staff members. So, I had a discussion with him regarding what kind of research activities are going on in the college, and he was asking me to just give a talk to students about the students to encourage doing research kind of activities and so on. So I told him let's arrange for some guest lectures kind of thing where I can give a small demonstration or a lecture on some topic and also discuss about research kind of things. So I like my college to be, how many colleges are there? 600. Well, I think so there are around 500 colleges in Tamil Nadu, but I want my college to be among the top 10 at least, okay, in very few years. And how we can go there is up to your hands, in the hands of teachers and the students. Both need to work, also the management. All need to work on a collaborative manner so that the education level goes up. The quality of the students passing out from this college is not up to the par, I know, because I am myself passed out from this college, so I know very well. So what is the quality of an engineer passed out from here? I would like to see that it is improved in a very sufficient manner, because it's very competitive world. See, 450 colleges, number of engineers coming out each year is quite enormous. So you need to be having that standard to get into the jobs kind of things. So concentrate on securing golden medals, university ranks. That's how that will help you. Just don't concentrate on clearing subjects. We used to do this. When I'm studying in this college, I used to do the last minute studying and clearing of subjects. Well, study, work hard, concentrate on securing ranks, and also do a kind of research activities in college that will really help getting the college up to the next level. Well, thanks all. Thank you.
So good, Mudassir, that was a nice point that you got to aim high. You aim for the sky, you will reach somewhere in between. That's how you reach the clouds. Right? You aim for the sky, you reach the clouds. Or aim for the moon, you reach somewhere near our satellites. Right, so you got to aim high to succeed. You got the point? Right? So you've got to aim for the university ranks, and this is what I've been telling since I joined here. And I joined here just about 8 months back. Yes, regarding the research activities, This initiative was taken by the management under the instructions of Mr. Faisal. So against that, I was recruited, and basically, as of now, I being a metallurgical engineer, I am now starting off funded research projects, right? So that's the mandate from the management to me, is to go for funded research projects as of today. Right, so as far as my area of work is concerned, yes, I can manage that. But then when it comes to the other branches of engineering, which I really want to foster and help them do well, the required support is not forthcoming, right? But it's anyway, I don't blame anybody for that. It's just a question of time. I just keep talking to them, pressing them on, and I'm sure we'll succeed in getting more funded projects in other branches of engineering also. And I'm very happy, Mudassar, that people like you should be visiting us. Where are you actually located? In Chennai? Yes. So you should be visiting us. Mr. Taha should take note. Yeah. So please take note. Just call him over, and because I'm very sure he's a very good motivator. So we require to. Yes, I'll give you the mail ID, so you could be in touch with me. Yes. Right? And I think he'll be the right man to motivate our students. So just come on whenever possible. Just keep in touch with Mr. Taha and me. Then, in fact, not just Mudassar, many of you. What I just now heard of him. What's your name? Yeah, the mechanical engineer. Huh? Syed Yusuf. Yeah. So all of you guys should be coming here in your own capacity, talk to the students, and should help. And I'm looking forward again for support from the staff of MSAGCE to really work towards greater heights as far as research is concerned. For any educational institution to earn a name, research is a very, very important component. So as far as since my background is just that of a metallurgist or mechanical engineering, we have decided to get a mentor now for EEE and electronics and communication engineering. So one Dr. Janaki Raman from the Indian Institute of Technology Madras, he will be joining us soon. This is for information of Pravira Chivil ma'am and Abdul Rahman sir and their team. Right, so they will be here. I mean, he will be joining us soon, and he will mentor you all. I'm telling the faculty and the students, he will mentor you and guide you into going in for research in a big way. Right, so this as far as research activity is concerned. Next, when we meet again, you will find that research activities have gone up leaps and bounds. Right, thank you very much.
Good afternoon to Wonderworks India. I thank management to give me an opportunity to speak before you all. I'm very happy to see that the inauguration of our alumni function is very good. I have always thought of this after going from the college. How can we come and meet the college and interact with the staffs? Because they will be busy with the students, and this will be a good platform for us to just connect with the juniors and have a good interaction with the college. And some of the advices what seniors said was very nice. And I also want to tell something. Some students, my friends, who are having arrears or seen as they are not studying properly. And I just want staff to encourage them also to come forward, and they have to find why they are keeping arrears and what are the mistakes they are doing in exam. I can help them out. We are actually doing that for our friends. If staffs also support for that, we'll be happy. And last thing I want to share is with staff is I actually seen some videos of foreign universities about the lectures of what we study in a college. I actually saw Harvard University sorting lecture, and it was about half-an-hour video. And in that half-an-hour video, the lecture was about sorting. One sir was explaining everything about sorting, and with the use of flash and other things, he used a very easy way, interactive way, and it was very easy to understand it. And he explained a full book in just an half an hour about all types of sorting, and it was very helpful. And so I also asked my staff to do that kind of interactive classes, smart classes, which they can use flash and other videos and other presentation kind of teaching that will help us more. And I thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
Become members of the Indo-US Consortium for Engineering Education, and there are a lot of webinars. Are you listening to me? There are a lot of webinars in your field of engineering, right? He is one, Kanchana Devi madam, she is another. She is not here now. And of course, all the HODs, I regularly mark mails to them. No, madam, all the HOD madams here in front of me, because most of you are involved, and then Mr. Kannan, Abdul Rahman, right? Yeah, your 4 branches are getting the maximum things coming from the IUCEE. So again, I am requesting you, particularly understand the feelings for the students. They want to have such things encouraged. It's not just Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. It's also got to do with these things. So kindly, whenever I mark the mails to you, please initiate and get the children to come on. Okay? Thank you.
Good evening to one and all present here. Actually, எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்குது சீனியர்ஸ் வந்து இங்கே வந்தது நினச்சி. அவங்களெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது எங்களுக்கு இன்னும் கான்ஃபிடென்ட் லெவல் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ எங்களுக்கும் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஆகலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ரொம்ப எந்தூசியாஸ்டிக்காக இருக்குது அவங்களெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி 2 இயர்ஸாக ரிசல்ட் வந்து கொஞ்சம் டவுனாக இருக்குது. ஆனால் நாங்கள் வந்து இப்போ நல்லா ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஹெச்ஓடிஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த இயர் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக வந்து நீங்கள் நினச்ச மாதிரி அட்லீஸ்ட் 2 or 3 யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ் ரேங்க் கண்டிப்பாக வரும். அதை வந்து நாங்கள் அஷ்யூர் பண்ணுறோம். அதே மாதிரி உங்களோட கான்டாக்ட் வந்து எங்களுக்கு தேவை. ஏன்னா உங்களோட ஹெல்ப் கண்டிப்பாக எங்களுக்கு தேவை. எங்களோட எக்ஸ்போஷர் இன்னும் அதிகமாக இருக்குது. உங்களோட கான்டாக்ட் எங்களுக்கு தேவை. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து எங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்கள். நாங்கள் வந்து இந்த காலேஜ் விட்டு போகும்போது கண்டிப்பாக வெளியிலேருந்து வரும்போது இந்த காலேஜ் வந்து ரொம்ப பெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிற அளவுக்கு நாங்கள் நேம் கண்டிப்பாக வாங்கி தருவோம். ஸோ அந்த கான்ஃபிடென்ட் எங்களுக்கு இருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் திஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி.
Okay, good evening everyone. First of all, I feel really happy to see all my seniors back here. I just know a few, and to talk about, okay, what he said that to talk on what we expect from you. definitely we know that the fact that our results have not been coming up to the level which it was expected from our staffs as well as from the management. So we wish that okay, maybe in the next coming exams we somehow manage to improve this. Regarding the results, okay, I believe that when I see in my own class, I see a lot of people who are very much down in their morale after seeing the results, because for some it was really unexpected to see them having an arrear and all. There are a lot of people who expected to clear more number of papers compared to what they had in the previous semester, and when it ended up the other way around, a lot of people have lost their morale. They are very much down. In spite of fact of a lot of times we have been able trying to push them up, saying that okay, leave it, what happens happens, let's improve. They are not really being able to come up. So I wish if any of the seniors would help us in this, probably someone could tell us what we exactly need to do regarding such students. And even the other day, one of my classmates, the classmate's brother whom I met up in the bus stop, was asking me regarding the placement of the college. So I wish if anyone could tell us how we should be really approaching when it comes to getting placed in a company. Thank you.
So right, it's congrats to you all for having formed the Alumni Association. Office bearers, big hand to you all. And we would like to have 2 advisors, right, in your advisory capacity, right? The whole initiative was taken by our Director Administration. You know who he is? Mr. Gautam Mohiuddin. Yeah, he took the whole initiative. So he will be an advisor to your Alumni Association. He will induct 1 person. I do not know whom he wants to induct, but you will have 2 advisors. And then I've got a good news. Our director has agreed to give Alumni Association an office in the college campus. So you could function from there. You don't have to look around for places. So you'll have an office in the college campus. Further, we could all discuss at a later stage as to, where the office would be. Anything else? Yes. There will be a coordination committee of staff. It will not be an advisory group, but they will have a coordination committee of students and junior staff members who will be in touch with you. Right, office bearers? So they will not be a part of your thing. Only advisors. We will have 2 advisors for you. So you can keep the stuff with them and all that. And then we will have a coordination committee comprising of students and junior staff members. So they will be in touch with you on the day-to-day activities, what they expect from you and all. It's okay? Yeah. In that we have talked in the morning. They said that they will do whatever they can for this. Good evening, friends. There are lots of people telling that our friends started, we are going to do this and that. First, I would like to ask one question. What is engineering and who is an engineer? Please define me correctly, then I will give you my steps. Anyone else? Anyone? That's the definition for science. What does it mean and who is an engineer? How do you say that he is an engineer? Why I am telling you is this, because all of us are exposed to more of theoretical experience. We don't have the practical knowledge in our life. First, our college should take initiative to bring those things inside. Then we can think of the placements and all those things which we can do outside. It's not that we need to provide papers and all that. First, develop yourself and then you can come in. So it's all to the students. You need to know college is 100% attendance தேவையே கிடையாது. நான் படிக்கும்போது 60 55 தான்.
See, it's like I wasted my time, but it went other way. I had nearly 200 papers when I was writing. The current semester is putting 70, but I was able to clear it because I started liking the subject afterwards. It's not just enough that you need to put on all your efforts, 24 hours and efforts. Once you like the subject, you will clear the subject. It's enough you read 3 units for clearing it. So my question still, there is a question. Who is the question? Who is for the problem? What? What side?
The right side of electricity. He was an engineer. The guy who was for electricity.
Yes.
So that's what I got your point. You are meaning to say that there will be more practical oriented. But your system, your syllabus doesn't permit.
Yes. See, okay. I think most of the subject trust will know about the ETA, right? Most probably they are also from Kilagara side. You know that they are the number 1 dealers of Mitsubishi elevators and escalators, right? So is there any initiative taken in our college, even knowing that they are the biggest group handling in India, to develop on the elevator side? No, I guess not. Sir, forget about Anna University. No, you develop your students in such a way. Yeah. So my suggestion was there to bring out the practical things rather than. So any help you need from me, I think she has my number. I'm here for 20 days and I'll be abroad. And one more guy was asking about how to develop ourselves for interviews. Okay, sir. So what is the step you have taken for developing yourself for interviews? I can't take it. Come on. Yes. So have you went to any of the stores or anyone else from your side so they can help you out with that? Or this is the first time you're asking for any help? So that's correct. Like 70 to 30 it goes right. You want to be yourself, that's perfect. And whatever you have, you want to show it up. But for the external appearance or the external words, it doesn't mean what you are now. It means like you have to market yourself first, then you have to be yourself then. Okay, so understand. Anything else?
Mr. Parvez, actually what he has told is very nice, correct, you know. See, engineering, what is required is whoever is practical engineer, they should come to the college, and that's what we are planning. Inshallah, we will be getting people from the field who will be coming and interacting with the students in future. Now I request, yeah, MOUs with various companies we are trying to sign now. See, the thing is, we are bringing people who are already working, real professionals, but they'll be interested. See, unfortunately, we are not a deemed university wherein we can form our own syllabus, right? We have constraints about the Anna University, and whatever is possible, now that we are slowly adding up a lot of, research scholars and all, they'll be coming. So with that, most probably, even the top faculty members who will be joining us will be having the industrial experience other than the academic experience. and we hope that we'll be able to give a better, professional outlook to our students. Now I'd like Mr. Asim Ali to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Before I start my word of thanks, I'd just like to share a few words. One thing I've just come to know about the college is that in recent years there hasn't been any symposiums or events. Yeah. Okay. In between there was a gap. Yeah. So I'd request the management to encourage students to conduct more events. The more people they meet, they get to know a lot more. And someone was asking about preparing for interviews. You need to go meet people. That is the best way. You talk to different industry people, you get to know about what is happening in the industry and whom to contact. And if you know people in the industry, you will be easily placed. It's not just about the marks. It's knowing people, it's knowing the industry, it's knowing the technology. So that is one way forward for you. And regarding the applied engineering for the person for Ace, we have one person on the dais, Yusuf, who's passed out of our college and has been doing research in mechanical engineering and has come out with a innovative product for breaking cashew nuts. So cashew nuts. So, even if you study in our college, it's not that the college has to provide a platform. It is out of your own will, interest, and commitment. You can come up with something else. So, yes, the equation is the college encourages more students, more people will start applying their knowledge. If not, only one or two will do that. So that's the point. And I'd like to thank each one of you. First, the students have come here. I know you've been called. It might be a little boring for you. We were sleeping when we were called for such conferences. And students, the staff members, the HODs, the dignitaries on dais, thank you all. And it's been a great pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Jai Jai